I'm on my way to work and I'll let my sandwich get cold. This is how I warm it up. Yeah, got the heat going at it. Oh yeah. We'll have a nice warm bacon and egg sandwich. What the fuck? Alright, so I guess we'll make a video about this. My transmission was having some issues. Hold on. Hey, what are you doing? Be quiet. Yeah, my transmission was having some issues, so I pulled out my slave cylinder because I lost my clutch and I noticed I was leaking fluid. So I tried to, you know, get the clutch back, but I couldn't get any pressure out of this. So I decided to take this off and focus. Yeah. My slave cylinder somehow broke. I don't know how, I don't know when, but I pulled out the pieces already. Let's see. Piece of shit. There you go. This piece of shit somehow decided to just crack. I don't know how it happened, when it happened, but yeah, that's where my issues were coming from. So we're gonna go down to the Subaru dealership and hopefully they have a slave cylinder for me in stock so I can put it in today, bleed the system, and get her going, because I have to be at work at 1 o'clock and right now it's 9, so I need to get the shit done fast. I need to buy myself another daily. Alright, so here's the old one. It's all fucking broken. I already went ahead and put in the new one. I just have to tighten down the bolts. But I went to put fluid in it and I did it while I was off the car. So there's no air pockets in the slave cylinder itself, but the master might have some. So I'm gonna have to get the tool for that. I need to get a bleeder because I don't have one. So hopefully I can get that done later, but for now let's see if it'll be enough for it just to be drivable. Alright, so I got clutch feel again. New slave cylinder works, and Alexis came out and helped me out. He pumped the clutch for me, so I think we're good to go. He's gotta go to work, so I gotta let him go, but he luckily came out and helped me out just before he needed to go to work. And this is his 07 SDI. It's a limited. Pretty sick. Well, I got my clutch issue fixed. So, I got the new slave cylinder in there. Next thing I need to do is I need to hook up my gauges. So, my air fuel gauge works. I got that hooked up. Boost gauge is gotta hook up the ground and the power, and then I'll have a boost gauge that works. And to get my oil pressure gauge, I need to get a new oil pressure sensor and some longer wire. So next thing I'll probably try to do is try to hook up my boost gauge and then hook up the oil pressure sensor. But before I do that, I gotta take this thing to emissions, and we'll see how it passes. It runs on the 85, so I'm hoping it does. We shall see. Back to work, I guess. Alright. Well, I am at Flat4Freak and I got a bunch of work to do. I gotta tear down these two motors. So I gotta tear these two down, and I have a bunch of heads and two short blocks on my bench. So I'm just gonna get to work and try to get all this shit done. I'm not gonna record any of it because I need to get going and get moving because I'm out of time. Later. Yeah. Now I got more room to take apart more motors. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a Subaru motor taken apart. How long have you had this car for?
I've had it for 2 years.
Damn. Did a little bit of work on it, man.
Yeah, just a little stuff, suspension, wheels, brakes. Do the interior a little bit too. Ricardo seats, Ricardo steering wheel.
Oh fuck, man.
A little messy in there, forgive the mess, but
Nah, man, this is tight. It's pretty cool.
yeah, thanks, man.
I actually came out here to wash my car because I'm getting ready to go do a cruise tomorrow with a bunch of Subarus.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
We'll go down to like up in the mountains and cruise for a bit.
That's cool.
This is pretty cool. I didn't expect to see this here. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I mean, road stopped when I first got in.
It's pretty tight. Well, I got the car all washed up, so I can have it all nice and ready for tomorrow. I'm gonna go do a cruise with a bunch of Subaru guys and have some fun. So that'll be the next video. It'll be the cruise up in the mountains with South Denver Subaru Club. So I got the car all cleaned up for it and it'll be ready to go. I think that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Later.